Machine learning is one of the hot topic of tech industry, so everyone wanted to learn it. So when someone dive into the field of machine learning, they always feel the dilemma that they should learn linear regression first or logistic regression first. They should learn support vector machine first or feature engineering first. So in this video, I am gonna jot down the whole topic of machine learning. This video is the first part of the whole syllabus. In the second part, I will discuss rest of the syllabus. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Step number 1, or one of the most important part, learn the basics of programming. By programming I mean Python programming, because you can always use Scala or R for machine learning, but those are not as user friendly as Python. And Python is one of the highly used programming language in the field of machine learning, deep learning and AI. So learn the different kind of syntaxes which are available in Python, like what is list, how to use a list, what is tuple, what is array, how to use different kind of loops, what is slicing and all. After that, you should learn data structures. Data structure is one of the highly important part in machine learning industry. After learning data structures, you should learn the function and how to use file handling. Done with file handling? Okay, let's start with some of the modules of Python. So we are going to learn some modules which are highly important in the field of data science, like matplotlib, like cbond, numpy, pandas and all. After all of that, you should learn how to analyze the algorithm, like computational analysis. This is one of the most important part. Completely done with Python? Let's learn SQL or SQL. According to Facebook, SQL is one of the highly used and important programming languages for data science. So learn it carefully. Download any relational database. For beginners, MySQL is one of the highly preferred database to learn. Download MySQL database and learn different type of SQL queries in the MySQL database. It's highly preferable to use a dataset. You can always go for Kaggle to download any kind of dataset. For reference, you can use IMDb dataset, which is basically a movie rating and prediction dataset from Amazon. Download it and learn different kind of SQL queries by MySQL database. You have already learned Python and SQL, right? Oh, you are doing absolutely great. Now here the next step. You have to learn the mathematical part of data science. For mathematics, there are mainly 3 or 4 parts you have to learn. The first thing is linear algebra. In the linear algebra, you have to mainly learn vectors, planes, line, curve, 2D geometry, 3D coordinate geometry and all. We are not done yet. The next part is statistics and probability. This is one of the highly conceptual and important topic for data science and machine learning. So learn it very carefully. After that, learn differential calculus and integral calculus. It might be little difficult for non-mathematical people, but you can always find great tutorials in the internet, right? So learn the mathematics part from the core of your heart because it's highly important. Damn, you are done with mathematics? You are a so quick learner. And here is the next step. It's called EDA or exploratory data analysis. When you get a data set, you first have to do EDA in the data set. Like you have to visualize the data set with different type of graphs, different type of histograms and different type of pictures. So using EDA, you can do that. There are lots of plots like 2D scatter plots, 3D scatter plots, violin plots, box plot, PDF, histogram and a hell lot of thing in EDA. So if you wanted to learn more about EDA, then let me know in the comment section below. Also, you will get a PDF of the whole syllabus in the description section below, so don't forget to check. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. For such awesome contents, don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is for today. See you guys on the next one.